Today, many leading companies, such as Google, Apple, and Amazon, are offering meditation classes to their employees. Because many research studies have scientifically proven that meditation has health benefits, which include managing stress, developing concentration, and increasing self-awareness and focus. Meditation is practice of mind focus and awareness. We can define awareness as when we fully know and feel what we are thinking or doing. It is a technique of focusing mind on particular object, process or thought, to train attention and focus. For example, sometimes we read even whole page, but we cannot remember even single word what we already read. It is classical example how we lose focus. And meditation is against losing focus. The goal of meditation is emotional stability and calmness. To define meditation simply is the act of giving your attention to only one thing. Meditation is represented in several different religions, like Buddhism, Hinduism, Taoism, Judaism, and others. Now, let's talk about simple technique of meditation, which is called mindfulness breathing meditation. Then discuss health effects of meditation and what we know about meditation, confirmed by studies. Mindfulness breathing meditation technique. 1. Find place to sit calm and quiet. 2. You can sit cross-legged or any position comfortable for you to stay for a while. 3. Feel your breath. Inhale air with nose slowly, and exhale by mouth. Breathing can be natural, not long, not short. 4. Try not to lose focus. Your mind will try to focus on different things, but you should try to focus on your breath. Don't be mad if you lost focus, just come back. 5. When you're ready, take a moment and notice any sounds in the environment. Feel your body, your thoughts and emotions. 6. Stay here for 5 to 7 minutes. Later, try to increase meditation time up to 10 to 15 minutes a day. Health effects of meditation. According to studies, meditation effects include stress reduction, decreased anxiety, decreased depression, reduction in pain, improved memory, increased efficiency, and increased creativity. Physiological benefits include reduced blood pressure, heart rate, lactate, cortisol, and epinephrine, decreased metabolism, breathing pattern, oxygen utilization, and carbon dioxide elimination, and increased melatonin. Meditation decreases sympathetic overstimulation and reduces cholesterol and smoking. According to study, 13-minute daily guided meditation session, for 8 weeks, decreased negative mood state and enhanced attention, working memory, and recognition memory as well as decreased state anxiety scores. Meditation can slow down aging. Shorter telomeres are associated with accelerated aging and related diseases. Chronic stress reduces telomerase activity and accelerates telomere shortening and premature aging. Meditation and yoga practices improve telomerase activity and telomere length. A study investigating the effect of meditation on the aging process showed that long-term meditators have a significantly younger biological age compared to short-term meditators and controls.